Hi, this is Mike Johnson. I'd like to introduce you to the Social SEO Pro plugin. This one-of-a-kind plugin will allow you to optimize your site for not just social SEO, but the semantic web using schema.org microdata that Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Everybody's using this stuff along with different APIs to enhance the data they receive from you so they know what your website's about. They want you to tell them what your site's about because frankly it's very hard for a search engine spider or bot to figure that stuff out. So that's why, for example, Facebook came up with Open Graph, and here you can see with Open Graph, just for homepage and default settings, we can customize literally everything that you're sending from your site to title, description, and image to Facebook, along with your admin and your fan page URL, so you can get authorship with Facebook and publisher status with Facebook, all that through the Open Graph API. Now, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and even Google recognizes Open Graph and reads Open Graph information. So you're sending this out and all these sites are picking it up, and it's allowing you to customize what you send to them and what people see. This is excessively important when you're getting into like Facebook graph search. So people search for you in graph search. If you have a specific thing that's about your site, a specific category, just like what's here: restaurant, a place, a book, a profile, website, music album, song, movie, TV show, video, you can tell that to Facebook through the Open Graph, and they will categorize that. So when people search for those types of items, they will find your, not just your fan page, but your website in graph search. So it's really important stuff. Google does the same exact thing, except they use what's called item prop, which is integrated with schema.org, microdata, and a lot of other stuff as well. Now, Bing and Yahoo, Yandex, they're all using this stuff. And the same thing as Facebook Open Graph. You can customize exactly what you're sending to them. And with Google authorship, we now allow you not just to use authorship on every page on your site, but we allow you to send custom data to Google for just specific content that you want to associate authorship with. It's very important because if you just assign authorship to everything, Google's going to downgrade your author rank, and by having a high author rank, you get more visibility in Google, and they'll rank your content higher. This is really important. There's a lot more to it, but that's the gist of it without this video taking 3 hours to do. The next thing is Twitter. Twitter has its own set of data, its own API, and you can participate in what's called Twitter cards. And this is sending them your content and having a much larger footprint in Twitter than the 140 characters. So if you share your content or anybody else shares your content, you can now send a summary, a large image summary, a photo, a video, product data, app data. You can do all that. And that's the big thing with all of these, is sending custom data to those elements to help them categorize and rank your site appropriately so you get targeted traffic you're looking for, and it'll help you rank in all these things for 100 more keywords than you would ever rank for just optimizing for keywords alone on your site. Now we also have a ratings tool in here where you can assign rating stars and stuff to your site. And we have social sharing buttons integrated with our APIs, so you can put those buttons on your site and you can make them look exactly how you want them to look for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, and Zing. All right, and you can select exactly where they go on your page. You can even use shortcodes. And then we have the Facebook recommendation bar you can add to your site. And we also have, you see all the settings for that, we also have Google Interactive Posts, which allow you to share content through Google, and then also in your Google Plus shares, actually put a button on your content and tell people what action to take with your content. So it's almost like a content locker through Google Plus. It's really neat. That's just the tip of the iceberg, because then we have to get into the exact customization that you can provide to each post and page on your site. There's really no limit to the customization and the content you can send to Google, Bing, Facebook, etc., etc. So if we look here just on the basic settings of Social SEO Pro, you can see here we can select whether to have authorship on this page or not. We can select the page type, and this is all schema microdata that's getting sent out from your page to help start with the categorization and itemization of your page content. So you can see here all the different things you can use: question and answer page, just a regular web page, blog page, about page, checkout, contact, shop page, profile page. You can do that so they can understand exactly what your content's about, and then you can put a custom Google publisher identity in here on top of the one you already set for your entire site. And then you can customize if you have multiple scripts running on your site, you can deconflict using our advanced scripts. Now you can get into Open Graph, which really has a ton of different optimizations you can choose from, and the content types, we already looked at, you can use this for each individual post and page on your site, including custom post types. You can add video information, audio information, and add multiple Facebook admins and app IDs if you want. You don't have to use app IDs for the Social SEO Pro, but it's an option if you have apps that you want to associate with your site. And this same thing goes with Google+. Google+ has all the same kind of customizations. You can customize everything you send to Google+. And as I showed you already, we can have the Google Interactive button on our posts so we can enhance sharing and use those custom buttons that Google+ provides with our content. Now, Twitter cards, we can do the same thing. We can select our card type for each post and page. We can add all that custom content, including player types, iPhone apps, iPad apps, Android apps, etc. You can add all that to your content. And then we get into the whole schema microdata, which includes reviews, product information, business information for local business, which we have even more of that. And you can do this on an individual post and page basis as well. As you see here, all the different types of organizations you can assign your business to, if you're a local business, to ensure that your site is being categorized in Google and other entities correctly. And then you have people, you have recipes. You see all the information for recipes right there, huge amount of data. Software, videos, and events. And this is all data that could help you get your content seen, indexed, and improved in rank in Google, Bing, Yahoo, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, etc. All that really enhances everything. So we can customize that, but then we also have our full local SEO workup where you can create geo sitemap and KML files to really allow Google to know where your business is at, add the information in, and then add your business type as a whole to your site. As we already looked at, you could do on a post and page basis. Well, here you can do it for the entire site right here. You can put your phone number for customer service, which will show up in Google search, contact, area served, language, technical support, billing support, bill payment, opening hours, all of this stuff for local SEO. And down here is where you finalize and finish off your geo sitemap for your site, adding all this information to it and adding it to Google and other map type sites. So you can see this is just really the tip of the iceberg when it comes to social SEO. There is no other plugin like this out there. So I encourage you to jump on this offer and get the Social SEO Pro plugin today.